Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a split effects for your video edit on CapCut. So you just need to add your clip, and in here I use only a 1-second video. And after that, click on a clip, go to mask and click on split. Rotate it into 90 degrees. After that, just click on a check icon, copy the clip, then set one of them as overlay. Okay, so it will go like this. And then click on the overlay video, go to mask, then click on invert. Okay, move the yellow line to the left a bit. Oops. After that, just click on a check icon and now add keyframes on the main and also overlay video like this. So add it on the same place in the middle and also the end. Then on the keyframe in the main video, on the second keyframe, move the clip down. Okay, like this. And then on the overlay, on the second keyframe, move the clip up. Okay, so it will go like this. And then after that, go in between the keyframes here and go to grabs, select custom, edit it, and set it like this. Okay, for both of the keyframes in the main video and also in the overlay. Okay, just click on a check icon, click on the main video and then copy it, then make it as overlay. Okay, put it under like this, under the first overlay, and then click on a second overlay, go to edit and click on rotate it 2 times like this and mirror on both keyframes. Okay, so it become like this, and do this. Okay, do this for both of the keyframes. Okay, and then after that, in the first keyframe, go to mask, then click on invert. Click on a check icon, and now in the first keyframe still, move the clip up until you can't see it. Okay, like this, and then move the clip on the second keyframe until you feel the black part. And then after that, copy the first overlay, then put it under. And now rotate and mirror it on the both keyframes. Okay, like this, and then after that, go to mask, then click on invert, and then after that, in the first keyframe, move the clip down until you can't see it. And now move the clip on the second keyframe like this. And then after that, go to mask, then move the yellow line a bit. And now you are done, and here is the result for the split effect. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.